Hi guys, today I'm putting the JBL Flip 6 up against the much cheaper Rienok S1 Mini to see if indeed the Rienok offers a much cheaper alternative to the already proven and very popular great little JBL Flip 6. I've already unboxed and sound tested the Rienok, so check that out if you haven't already done so. Link below and also on the end screen at the end of this video. As you can see, the Flip 6 is smaller than the S1 Mini by about 15mm. Now the big difference between the two is the price, with the JBL Flip 6 being around £100 or $120 on Amazon, while the Rienok is around only £30 and also only $30 on Amazon, all at the time of making this video of course. Now the Flip 6 has Bluetooth version 5.1, with the Rienok having version 5.3. The Flip 6 has a 4800 mAh equivalent battery. The Rienok has a 3600 mAh battery. The Flip 6 has up to 12 hours music playtime, with the Rienok having a massive 20 hours of music playtime, both depending on music levels of course. The Flip 6 battery charge time is 2.5 hours, but I can't find the exact charge time on the Rienok. I'm guessing it's around 4 hours if it has that much playtime, despite it being a smaller battery than the Flip 6. Now there's an obvious weight difference between these two, with the Flip 6 being much heavier at around 528 grams, while the Rienok weighs a lighter 462 grams, which is noticeable, making the Rienok more favourable for carrying due to it being lighter of course. That said, the JBL Flip 6 does feel much better quality in every way, but that really is to be expected due to its much higher price tag. And the big thing is, of course, both of these offer 30 watts of RMS total output power, which makes this sound test very interesting. As always guys, timestamps below to switch between tracks to listen to different genres, as speakers do often perform better or worse depending on different types of music. And let me know what you think in the comments below, I'll pin my thoughts there too.